Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today, you see, it's a new day. It's a new December day, and it is of course, December 5th. And I'm sorry, 2 seconds gone. Yeah. So here is number 5. So let's just get it out. Oops, like that. And we are gonna open this and see what's inside. And this feels like, is it a glitter? I wonder if it is another glitter. And that is always exciting, So let's get this up and reveal what's inside here. There we go. Okay, let's see. I'm just excited every time, and all these I'm starting to talk Norwegian, sorry. All these 4 days that have been new items to me, or items I don't have, so that's been really nice. So let's see. Festival! I wonder, is this the one I got in my last order or the order before? I'm not sure, but gosh, my good Lord have mercy. No, I'm sorry, it's not. I was thinking about the glitter dot mix. This is the hexagon nail glitter mix called Festival, and it is amazing. Oh my god, that's so pretty. That is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take this away because we're gonna have to test it. We're gonna have to test it. So I'm gonna open it up. You know, all these colors is kind of blinding me but what I can see now is red, gold, or pink, gold, and blue. I'm not quite sure. I have to see when we open it up because there's so many beautiful colors. Okay, I'm not gonna drag this out any more than I have to, so yeah, I'm gonna get everything ready and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I have top coated it and kind of encapsulated it in some top coat and one gel. So this isn't the prettiest application. I'm aware of that. I don't know why I always have a bit of a struggle when I'm pouring with these big and small glitters, especially the big ones. I guess everybody do. It might be better to just, you know, apply it with a brush, pick it up with a picker or whatever you prefer. I just want to dunk the nail so we can really see how it looks, and it is beautiful. What I can see, it is pink, blue, and gold in here. You can see the pink one there. It's a dark pink, blue, and gold in hexagons in, I think it's 4 different sizes: tiny, small, medium, big. So, but it is a beautiful mix. It was kind of hard to see through all that gel. You see, but now it's like just thrown all the way. So yeah, but I just wanted to show you guys so you can see how it looks. And yeah, it's beautiful. And here is my CNA collab from Charlie's Nail Art. That was yesterday. I created this with pixie dust glitter, the footprints in the snow, and from Charlie's Nail Art, of course, and the Charlie's Nail Art snowflake sequins. So what do you think? You like it? So yeah, so that's it, guys. This was long enough. So let's see what they have in store tomorrow. So I will leave you now. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.